Yo, what's up YouTubians? Berkshire Blades here. Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a little bit of knife unboxing today, and I got my kiddos, Jasper and Miles, with me. You guys want to say hello?
What's up? What's up, guys?
All right, so this is knives for them. So I was doing a bunch of yard work the other day. I was mowing the lawn. We had a bunch of stuff going on, and we've got some really nice lilac trees, and there was a lot of stuff growing up underneath. They needed pruning. Anyway, we had a ton of stuff to do. So these guys are really good about chores, but I told them if they gave me a couple of hours of real physical labor, I would let them pick out a really good budget knife. So this is what they picked. We're getting into these with the EMP EDC Nimble W. Let's go. Let's see what they got. I remember the brand. They're CJRBs. I do not remember exactly which ones they picked out.
The Pyrite.
The Pyrite Lite. That's right. Yeah, you each picked a Pyrite Lite. So let's see what we got here. Whoop, one's us.
I remember mine has black blade steel, and it's like the color show.
So, all right. So this is the gray FRN handle. Jasper, you picked the gray?
Yeah, I picked
All right. AR RPM 9 steel. Miles, you picked the blue, right? That's what, yeah, you got the blue. All right. So which one do you want to do first? Rock, paper, scissors?
scissors, shoot.
All right. Miles gets to open his first. So this is the blue FRN. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Which end do we want to open? Whoop, cut my darn finger off. There we go.
Please don't.
No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's see.
I doubt it, 'cause you can open knives.
All right, CJRB. I love how they give them the pouch. I love how they give you the pouch. There she is.
Can I open it?
CJRB, cool stuff. Is that a sticker? All right, let's see what it is. Microfiber cloth, zipper pouch. You got the black blade too.
Yep.
I think it's PVD coated black blade. Let's see. Oh, I missed it. Ooh. That's nice. I like the blade on there. So immediately my first reaction, this is a big knife, dude. This thing is sweet. Let's get the old clear ruler out here just so I can see exactly how long this thing is. Tip to end, 8 3/8. That's a big one right there.
Can I compare it to my hand?
3 5/8 blade. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Stick your hand out. Just hold your hand out so we can see. Yeah, that's a big knife, man. So it feels good. It's got a reversible deep carry pocket clip, and it's nice because the pocket clip is nested into the scales. It's got a lanyard hole back here. One thing I noticed, it would have been nice if they gave you black barrel spacers so it matched everything. Not throwing too much shade. A black button would have been nice too. Let's check it. That's pretty good. It's a muffled shut, which I don't hate. It's a stealth knife. That's not bad. It's not the best action I've ever felt on a button lock. Is it a plunge lock or a top liner lock? So it's a plunge lock, so that's okay though, you know. It's got a little bit of lock stick going on. What the hell just happened?
Please tell me you broke it.
Oh, it's a lock. Get out of here. It's got a lock. I hit the lock. Are you kidding me? So look at that, right? Sorry, let me get the focus. So this is a lock. I had no idea. So it's unlocked. It's locked. That is awesome. So you can't cut your finger. What a good knife. No wonder it was feeling a little funny. I had the lock partially deployed. I'm sitting there shutting it like an idiot. Yo, that is really cool. So this is a super safe knife for the kids to use. You open it, you click the lock in. It's not going anywhere. Let's do it. Ready?
How do you close it?
You push the lock back on the other side right here. Click the lock.
Cool.
It's really cool.
I
Wow.
wonder if Jasper was...
So I had no idea. So that's super, super, super cool. This is awesome. We'll do a full review on these in a little while after we carry them and use them for a little while. But I just wanted to see how long it was because it just looked like a super long knife. So we'll do the whole thing. We'll measure and weigh everything in another video. We'll set this one up here. We'll get the Nimble W out of the way. And then we're going to open up Jasper's. I like the look. I like blue a lot. Blue is like my favorite color. But the gray, here, we'll use Miles's knife to open Jasper's knife. But I like the gray look. I think it's very stealthy looking. So this is going to be cool. We'll compare the blue and the gray next to each other. Man, what a good knife. What a good pick. I didn't even realize that that had a lock. So if you guys are looking for a knife for your kiddos out there and you're worried about it or you're worried about yourself, when you're doing some hard use, dude, this thing's got a lock. That's awesome. More knives should do this, really, dude. More knives need to do this.
Can you lock it while it's closed?
Yes, sir. You certainly
Cool.
can. Yo, that is dope. Yo, CJRB, man, you're setting the bar. I like that. Let's go. So that's really nice, man. I love that it's I love that they do that. Oh, it's a light gray too. So I'm just gonna say I am a sucker for white scales. This is gray, but dude, it looks so good. It's like almost a white gray.
Is it like Stormtrooper gray or?
Maybe. Oh yeah. I can't believe I'm such an idiot. I'm like, oh, it's like not opening right because the lock was half deployed. I didn't realize I must have hit it. These actually have fantastic action. I was just an idiot and I had the lock half deployed.
That's insane.
So one thing though is like they could have put the lock a little bit farther away because I mean I have not a fat thumb, but I got big hands. So like I could see you accidentally hitting both. Not a big deal. Like okay, so there's no harm in your knife is accidentally locked, right? Like this is awesome. Yeah, obviously they should be exactly the same size and weight. Well, like I said, we'll do a full review in another one, but those are some sharp looking knives, dude. CJRB, man. I'm telling you, every time I get a CJRB, I get excited because I like them all. Let's open them both up and we'll lay them there and we'll check them out together. I love the black blades. I like that you both picked the black blades. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's all I got for you guys today. The kids worked really, really hard, and they deserve these, so they can add them to their Blade HQ knife rolls that we opened.
Before we stop the video, do you want me to go get the scale?
No, that's okay. We'll do a full review. We'll weigh them all in the other review. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today, man. I have a affiliate link for CJRB, and lowercase CJRB5 should give you a 5% discount code. That's what they sent me. I have yet to try it out. But if you use that affiliate link, it does help out the channel. It's cool if you choose not to. I still like you guys either way. Do me a favor. Please like this video. Subscribe to the channel because it helps out small content creators a ton. And if you are subscribed, turn those alerts on so when I drop something new, you guys know about it. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate my subscribers. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, YouTube.
Peace.